Wow, thank you. I mean, that was truly amazing. Thank you so much for that very, very warm welcome. Now, before I get started, I have a little bit of a disclaimer. I'm an emotional wreck today. I am. And it may not be for the things that you think, but I'm gonna be personal today. As I was getting ready to do this presentation, I wanted everything to be perfect. There's this perfect, clear message that came with every slide. And I wanted it to be crystal clear for you as to what I needed you to help me with. But I think that many of you can see why I need your help. And the reason I'm going to be personal today is because I feel very connected to this community. Chiropractic care saved my life. Chiropractic care gave me my life back. I was injured in 2007 by a roadside bomb. And as you can see, I wear my scars on the outside. Now, I was injured February 19th of 2007. I literally just had my 10th anniversary of my alive date. And it's almost 10 years of me doing what I do, representing the veteran community and trying to save the lives of those men and women that don't wear their scars on the outside like me. There are so many veterans out there that wear their scars privately, and you wouldn't even know that they serve. You wouldn't even know that they're damaged. That's why I'm here today, because you can see that I've been there and I've done that. I've suffered and I've sacrificed. But for those family members and for those veterans that don't wear their scars on the outside, that's where I need your help. I need your help to put your hands on these individuals, because we are losing up to 30 a day to suicide. How many of you knew that? That's good. We have an epidemic on our hands. These men and women were willing to give everything for their nation. From the minute we joined the military, we're taught not to be the weak link. We're taught military traditions. We're taught values. We're taught all these things that are supposed to help us get through the mission. When they separate from the military, they have that same mentality. They don't want to be the weak link. They don't want to ask for help. And some of them try to compare their injuries to me or other service members that have lost a limb. They don't want to speak up and say something, even though they're damaged all the way to their core. Now, as I said, I was an emotional wrecker. You know, I really am. All day I've wanted to cry because I've been thinking about this weekend. This last weekend was amazing. I had people that I haven't seen in 13, 14 years. They were on my first deployment. They don't wear their scars like I do. But them just being around me, and I really think that the weekend was intended for me to heal, but it turned out to be about everybody else. And it was great. It was perfect. Because I've learned that my scars heal. The life that I lead heals people. I've become a spokesperson and that person that leads by example in this environment. Because you've given that to me. You have allowed me to finally heal. And I think that's why it was so important for me to make this just perfect, and why I was so emotional. Is I really want you to know and understand, you did save my life. We've got a lot of work to do to save others.
The Cal Jam Network is your all-access pass to Cal Jam all year long. The site hosts hundreds of videos and endless chiropractic content. The network is a great resource for anyone passionate about chiropractic health. Visit this newly renovated CalJam streaming service at caljamnetwork.org.